Hi everybody. Things are starting to wake up in the garden now, so I'm so excited about it. We had took a trip down to see my sister in Long Island, and on the way there, when we got closer to the city, you see the trees had already started budding, flowers and stuff, and I just felt like, oh, I can't wait, so coming back home, I noticed that some things are budding, so I'm going to show you. So over here, I believe this is the bleeding heart that I planted, and I threw it back there when it was just roots. Wasn't really sure where to put it, so yeah, look at that. And then a hellebore, one of the flowers, are starting to bud. Let's see. Here we go. There's another hellebore. There's a flower right there. I think there's another one coming up right there. And here's another hellebore. Let's see. I have to cut these back. Oh yeah, I think that's another bud. And then this here, I forgot what it's called. It's an evergreen, but the wind, the cold and the wind. I mean, it's hardy in this area. I forgot what it is, so. My coral bell, it still feels alive, so it's just gotta get some new leaves on it. The Japanese maple, you see the buds on there. Here's another hellebore. It's down in here. The new bud is down in there. Oh, look at here. So pretty. Some more down here. Here. And the coral bells. Let's see. Over here. That's about it. And let's see. Here's some buds on my Seven Suns tree, Heptacodium. Don't mind this back here. We gotta do some work. Very nice. And this is a 9 bark, the wine and, no, not wine and rose. What is it? Wine and ginger? 9 bark. Let's see if the hydrangea tree has any. I don't see any. Nothing for the Arctic Fire dogwood. Japanese maple starting to bud. Let's see, maybe if I some penstemon, looks like new growth pushing up. Look at this magnolia tree. Look at how pretty. This is a Royal Star Magnolia tree. Let's see if it smells. It smells so good. This here is another one of those other ones that I'm not really sure. My first winter having them, so I don't really know how they're supposed to do. And there's the fire chief that stayed pretty much like that all winter. Let's see. Wonder if there's any growth. Oh. There we go. Look at that. Oh yes. These are the, I think it's Asiatic. What is it? Asiatic Japanese lily or something. And here are some daylilies pushing up. One of them are the yellow brand, and the other one is orange. We have some weeds. As you see, I got a lot of work to do. And this here, this is I think it's a yucca. I'm not sure I'm not sure what kind. Let's see. This one here is the Orange Blaze Red Hot Pokers. It's got some new growth coming up in here. I'm not sure if I should cut things back yet because the temperatures are going to drop again. Another Japanese maple. Look at it. Pushing out buds. And this here was another daylily, I believe. And here's another ginger wine 9-bark, I believe it's called. Here, what are these again? Salvias, I believe. It's got some growth pushing up. Here also. This, that's a coneflower. What is it? I forgot the name of it. Some coral bells. Look at my Japanese maple. Very nice. I dug this up and put this over here from the pool area. It looks like it's doing pretty good. There go some buds for flowers. I know, I believe it needs some nutrients. Here's the other Seven Suns Heptacodium pushing out new growth. I don't see any growth from the hostas yet. Weed. I gotta come over here and weed. Hydrangea pushing out buds. Very nice. This hydrangea is pushing out buds. I had to cut this part off, cut it down. I turned this from a what is it, quick fire bush into a standard tree. There's some buds on here. Strawberry vanilla, hydrangea. You can barely see any buds, but it's there. Same with this one. These are the tiny wine 9 bark. And there's some growth right there. Hydrangea, another bush I'm turning into a standard. It's smaller though. These have new growth, but there's these little flies. I'm hoping that they're not those lantern things. But as you can see, it's pushing out new growth. Not sure if this astilbe is gonna come back. And this here, I believe, is a hosta. I just put the pot in the ground because I didn't want to, I didn't know where to put it last year, so. This here is a trumpet vine. I'm not sure if it survived. It's supposed to, but we'll see. I have some coral bells in here. Oh, and here is my dappled willow, and you see new growth down in here. I know this didn't make it. This is one of the mandavillas. This is another dappled willow. There's some new growth down there. I don't see any yet anywhere else. I think I see some growth on just little buds pushing out on this hydrangea that I trimmed up earlier. Don't see anything on this dappled willow. That's another red hopwood. I don't see anything yet. This is my redbud tree. Don't see anything yet. Some daylilies, different kinds, and I think I'm gonna dig these up and put them in different areas. Another dappled willow. I don't see any growth so far. Hydrangea that I need to trim up. I think I'm starting to see growth on this one. Definitely want to get to that before it starts pushing out blooms. Another hydrangea. azalea. I believe I'm gonna dig up these azaleas and put them somewhere else. All the way down. I might even put these rhododendrons somewhere, maybe. Definitely needs to have some food. There's some new buds from, what is it? I forgot when it sets it up, but some coral cows. Azalea, rhododendrons. Playing or fighting. And as you can see, those Cleveland pear trees have buds on them, and the birds love being in those trees. Another azalea. I'm not sure if those are robins or what. I knew these weren't gonna last. These were the gardenias. I'll be redoing this. Washingtonia that I kept in here overwintered. Not sure how that's gonna do, but it should be fine. Just prune off all of the dead leaves, and there's a spear in the middle here that still doing good. And then of course I have my philodendron doing very well. Needs to be trimmed up and it'll be just fine. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the updates. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna be redoing this pool area, and I still have more work in the back and front and side yards, so just stay tuned. I don't know when I'm gonna get to everything, but it'll get done.